Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with MERRILL, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with MERRILL, first, visit the MERRILL website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the button to access the account creation page. You'll need to provide your personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a secure password for your account. After filling out your information, review and accept the terms and conditions. Once your account is created, verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new MERRILL account using your credentials. Now, it's time to link your bank account for funding. Navigate to the funding section in your account dashboard. Select your preferred bank and follow the prompts to connect. You may need to provide your bank's routing and account numbers. Once linked, transfer funds into your MERRILL account. With funds available, explore the investment options offered by MERRILL. You can choose from individual stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. Research potential investments using MERRILL's educational resources and tools. Decide on your investment strategy, whether it's long-term holding or short-term trading. When ready, select your desired investment and specify the amount. Review the details of your transaction carefully. Confirm the purchase to finalize your investment. Monitor your portfolio regularly through the MERRILL dashboard. Consider setting up alerts for market changes or news related to your investments. Continue educating yourself on investment strategies to enhance your skills. As you gain confidence, diversify your portfolio to manage risk more effectively. Stay updated on market trends and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment that requires patience and education. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.